Hi everyone! Today we're going to be reading the book TH, which makes the sound th. Thane and his friend think about fun things to do. Thea has a big brother. They like to watch clouds. Theo runs through the grass to his father. Thora likes to play with this chicken. It has many feathers. This is the third tooth Samantha has lost this year. These three friends walk with each other on the path. My mother made a birthday cake for my brother. Faith and her sister play in the sand together. What are Anthony and his brother giving their dog? A bath. Match these TH words to the pictures. Thread, wreath, thumb, bathtub. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed the book today, don't forget to like and subscribe.